the new episode of my Dark Bar Cocktail series. And today's video, we are going to make a green lantern. Keep on watching guys so that you will know why it's called green lantern. Let's start! We're gonna need ice in a glass. I'm gonna put another ice because it's melted already. I'm gonna put another ice. And what we have here is a coconut rum. Ta-da! So, we need 1 ounce of this. Wow, it's new. It's great. Just 1 ounce to the other side. Start to melt. 1 ounce of Spicy Rhum. New? Oh, it's new. I don't think this one. I don't like the smell of a rum. And what we also have here is a melon liquor. Ta-da! This one makes a nice color. Wow, that's right. Just 1 ounce, guys. That's not to have a nice color. The Limoncello. 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 Oh, it's called Limoncello. Green, yellow, and the pineapple juice. Ta-da! And we're gonna open it. Just like that. Ta-da! The last but not the least, the Blue Curacao. It's nice. This one creates a very nice color that makes it called green lantern. Why do you call it green lantern? Wow! We are going to mix. Ta-da! The decoration. Pineapple. First voila! The green lantern. Don't forget guys, don't drink and drive. I hope you try it.